Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Kamakailan nga ay binuksan na ang Quirino Southbound Exit ramp ng Skyway Stage 3 para sa mga Class 1 vehicles. So ayon sa San Miguel Corporation, motorists coming from Balintawak and Quezon Avenue can now reach Manila in less than 20 minutes from 1.5 hours previously without traffic. So sa ngayon, meron ng 15 na operational ramps ang Skyway Stage 3 at ito ang mga sumusunod. Northbound entry on ramps, Buendia Zobel and Quezon Avenue. Southbound entry on ramps, Balintawak, Quezon Avenue and Plaza Dilao. Next naman, northbound exit of ramps are Quirino Avenue, Nagtahan, Quezon Avenue, A. Bonifacio, and Balintawak. And finally, southbound exit of ramps, maaari nang magamit ang Quezon Avenue, E. Rodriguez, Nagtahan, Quirino, and Buendia Zobel.